Welcome to a world where technology meets sophistication, a realm where innovation is the norm. Today, we unravel the magic of the Samsung Galaxy M25G, a device that stands at the pinnacle of modern smartphone technology. The Samsung Galaxy M25G is more than just a smartphone. It's a statement, a testament to Samsung's relentless quest for perfection. Nestled within its sleek frame are features that push the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. Every journey begins with a single step, and ours starts with the design. The Samsung Galaxy M25G is a sight to behold. Its slim, streamlined body is both elegant and ergonomic. The blend of glass and metal gives it a premium feel, while the subtly curved edges make it comfortable to hold. Flip it around and you're greeted by the Infinity V display. Spanning 6.3 inches, this full HD Plus panel is a feast for the eyes. With an impressive screen-to-body ratio, it offers an immersive viewing experience, making every video, every game, every image come alive. But a smartphone is more than its looks. It's the performance that truly defines it. The Samsung Galaxy M25G boasts an octa-core Exynos 7904 chipset paired with up to 6 GB of RAM. Navigating through apps feels smooth, multitasking is a breeze, and even the most demanding games run without a hitch. And then there's the camera. The Samsung Galaxy M25G sports a dual camera setup at the back. It's led by a 13-megapixel primary sensor supported by a 5-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. From sweeping landscapes to intimate portraits, every shot is captured with crisp detail and vibrant colors. The live focus feature adds a professional touch, blurring the background for that perfect bokeh effect. Powering all this is a massive 5,000 mAh battery. It's more than enough to get you through the day and then some. And when it does run out, the fast charging feature ensures you're back in action in no time. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy M25G is a powerhouse. Its sleek design is matched by its impressive performance. The display is a joy to look at, the camera captures stunning photos, and the battery life is nothing short of phenomenal. And so, we reach the end of our journey. The Samsung Galaxy M25G is not just a smartphone, it's a testament to Samsung's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's a device that delivers on all fronts, making it a worthy addition to the Samsung Galaxy family. So, if you're in the market for a new smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy M25G is definitely one to consider.